This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this very famous French wine style made in a similar fashion with a similar winemaking technique at the wines from Sherry in Spain. That means oxidative style grown and matured underfloor in wine barrels, but in the region of Jura in this case, from the Savagnin grape, the local grape from Jura called Savagnin. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Vins Jaunes. So vin in French means wine and jaune means yellow. So the yellow wine. How do you go about pronouncing this with the typical French pronunciation? Vin jaune, vin jaune, vin jaune. You can simply say vin jaune, vin jaune, vin jaune. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Feel free to have a look around my YouTube channel if you like learning more about wine, about French wine, but from all the wines in the world. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine indeed. Au revoir. Bye-bye.